Hey everybody, Luxinda Swirl here. New day, new Tumbler project. So these are the items we're going to be working with in today's video. I have a 30-ounce skinny straight from Makerflow. I sanded it, washed it, spray painted it. This is lovely lavender. It is a new color from Rustoleum, but it would be pretty to try. We are going to start by putting this SOC sparkle dust. This is called Champagne. We are going to use the Tack-It method to apply this gorgeous holographic champagne sparkle dust onto our tumbler. After that, we're going to apply some resin and then sprinkle on Sweet Tart, a beautiful chunky hollow mix from Fran's Glitter and More. And then we're going to put on some vinyl. This is a sticky sheet from Mr. Nola's Glitter. And finally, we are going to put on some Stickles. This is a Tim Holtz Ranger product. So let's get going. All right, here's my Tack-It. This is Aleene's Tack-It Over and Over Glue. You buy it on Amazon. I will link to everything below, as always. I already have a little bit in here, but it's kind of old. So I'm going to add some fresh to it, like that. Mix in just a little water so that it's easier to brush on. You don't have to do an exact 50-50 ratio. Just mix it to whatever consistency you like to use. I'm going to brush it on with my not so fluffy anymore fluffy makeup brush. Basically, you just want a smooth even layer over the whole thing. I will then let this dry and put on a second layer. I won't bother bringing you back for that. It'll be the exact same thing as this. And then I will bring you back once the second layer is dried and we're ready to apply our sparkle dust. Okay, let's put some gorgeous champagne colored sparkle dust from SOC Glitters on our tumbler. Two or three fingers, we're going to burnish it down so it lays flat and gives us that gorgeous holographic sheen. And then full hand. And there it is, a gorgeous champagne with a purple undertone holographic burnished tumbler. Love it. I'm going to put this back on the paper towel stand, take it outside, spray it with some matte clear spray from Rustoleum. Any brand will do. I just want to make sure it's on here and it doesn't go anywhere, and then we'll put some resin on it. So stay tuned. And we're back. Okay, here's where we are with the tumbler. It's looking gorgeous. Now I want to cut out some vinyl. This is a Mr. Nola's Glitters sticky sheet. It is a regular sticky sheet, meaning it is completely opaque, no clear spots. And I'm going to cut it out along the edges, what I would consider a double row. So we have this being one row, these lighter color flowers, and then these mostly purple flowers being the second row. I'm gonna cut out that whole thing there. All right, so Okay, there's one. And I'm going to do this side. Obviously, you can do whatever you want, including not doing this at all if you don't want to. Okay, so that looks like it's in a good place. So now I'm just going to get my squeegee and I'm going to Okay, so what happens next is I get out my box of Stickles. Stickles is a specific brand name for glitter glue put out by Tim Holtz Ranger because it's so pretty. I should do the top first and then do the bottom. Ugh, being a lefty, all sorts of bizarre restrictions. I'm going to put it aside, totally let it dry, and once it does, I will bring you back and we will put a decal on the front. Okay, so here's how beautiful this looks right now. I actually think that was a great choice, the turquoise Stickles. And to try and go with everything I have here, I've picked out some skulls. This is printed on my favorite Nito printable vinyl. All right, gorgeous. I could, if I really wanted to, go around the outline of the whole thing with more Stickles, but I don't. No, I'm not going to. So yeah, I have a whole mess of stuff going on here. I will probably cover the entire tumbler since there's so many different things going on here with a layer of Quick Coat, CC DIY's urethane sealer called Quick Coat. It will just ensure that everything stays tacked down. And then I'll put a layer of epoxy resin over the entire thing, and I'm not going to mix anything into it. So the next time you see this, it should be out in the sunshine. Stay tuned.